This segment is sponsored in part by Lysol, helping families strike out stink this summer.
Well, it is summertime, and that means kids are out of school and spending time outside working up a stinky sweat. I know firsthand. That's where Lysol comes in. They have a product that kills the odor-causing bacteria, aka the stink, from clothes. Lysol is hitting the road this summer, visiting youth sporting events across the country with the Lysol Labs Mobile Science Center, which includes the world's stinkiest sock. Ew! This weekend, the Mobile Science Center is at the NYC Cup on Randall's Island, and that is where we find our Alex Lee. She's got a couple of familiar faces with her to talk about what folks can learn when they visit Lysol Labs Mobile Science Center. Hello, Alex.
Hey, Marisol. I'm glad that you called out your stinky sons yourself, because I was going to tell you, you got to be all ears right now. I am here on beautiful Randall's Island. By the way, my first time. Can you believe it? Born and raised in this area, never been. Anywho, I digress. Parenting and lifestyle expert Carly DeRogie, and of course, actor, mom, and Lysol. Can I speak today? Spokesperson Jordana Brewster. So nice to meet you. Thank you for being here.
So nice to meet you. I cannot speak in this heat either, so you're in good company.
We're unwell over here. I'm not going to lie. The humidity is at 1,000. But Carly, let's start with you. Tell me about this whole experience, the Lysol Labs van, mobile unit, where we are. Tell me everything.
So fun. So the Lysol Labs experience was created to educate parents all about that nasty stink. And what most people don't know is that stink is actually caused by bacteria. And I am very familiar with that stink. I have two girls, they're active. In the winter, they're playing volleyball, and there is nothing worse than the stink of those knee pads. That is a special stink right there when it comes off those sweaty legs. And now they're playing tennis in the heat. So when they come in, they're sweaty, they're stinky. Our post-game routine is this Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. It kills 99.9% of that bacteria that causes that nasty smell.
Fun times for you as a mother. Now, Jordana, you're a working actress. You're a busy mom of 2 boys. Why did you partner with Lysol, and what does it do for you in your life?
I mean, it helps so much. It's an essential part of my post-game laundry routine because it kills the bacteria, as you said. And I couldn't figure out, like, we get 1 uniform per season, and I couldn't figure out how to get that stench out. No offense to my beautiful boys. Couldn't figure it out, but Lysol Laundry Sanitizer does the trick because it gets rid of the bacteria. 1 sock can contain 8 million particles of bacteria. How gross is that?
That's really alarming.
I know.
And not in a good way.
No, it's not in a good way, exactly.
All right, and speaking of that, we're gonna go learn some more facts about bacteria and stink, because we're gonna check out the Mobile Science Center where Nicole, our scientist, is waiting to tell us all about stinky bacteria. There she is. She's got her white lab coat on. She's official. She's gonna break it down for us. Nicole, hi.
Hi.
What can you tell us here? What's going on?
So what we have here is our display, and what we're showing here is our bacteria for socks. It will, excuse me, the bacteria on these socks after a day of wear is 8 million bacteria.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's not just socks.
No, not just socks.
We
It's
got underwear
also
here.
Underwear, 12 million bacteria after a day of wear. So we wanted to show you how after your clothes may look fresh, but after
they're not.
They're not. So just wanted to show you that if you use Lysol Laundry Sanitizer, it can kill 99.9% of this odor-causing bacteria.
I mean, thank goodness for that. Carly, come on back in here, girl. Tell us what everything else that we can experience in this beautiful mobile unit here that we have going on.
Well, there's so much fun for families. So laundry isn't just for the moms and dads.
Sure.
The kiddos are going to get to check out and battle bacteria with this video game that they can play, teaching them how to eliminate the odor-causing bacteria and get rid of that stink. And then
maybe do their own laundry after this.
We can only hope, right? We can only hope. And then everyone loves that claw machine, right?
Hold up. Is that the claw?
The claw.
The
so
claw.
Lysol Labs claw machine. Kids can battle through those balls in there that are bacteria and get some branded prizes. Everyone loves a good prize, so lots of fun.
I was just gonna say, who doesn't love a gift at the end? All right, I think it's time. I've been hearing about this world's stinkiest sock. Apparently it's here. I'm gonna...
Good luck.
Thank you. I need all the luck I can get because I'm gonna take our scientist, Nicole, over to the scene Let me just tell you, you could smell it the second you walked on this fan. And I was told I have to smell the sock, so prayers up. Nicole, what's going on here?
So we know at Lysol that the sweat on our, that sweat can bring bacteria. And it's a welcoming environment where it can thrive. So that causes the odor in our laundry.
Okay.
So we replicated the world's stinkiest sock by making the unforgettable foot sting. So if you would like to smell the world's stinkiest sock.
I mean, I would not like, but I don't think I have a choice. So here we go. Bottoms up. Did I just push this thing?
Yep.
That's ripe. That is ripe. Okay. Let's move on. What else?
We know that Lysol Laundry Sanitizer can work because if you would like to smell treated with Lysol Laundry Sanitizer.
Okay. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Yeah, so
I would much prefer that.
yeah, no, it smells, and you can smell that it kills 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria.
Beautiful. All right. Well, you want to check out that stinky sock one more time, Dave? Because I sure don't. But let's go back to Carly. We're going to end on a high note because, like there's a QR code for you guys to scan. If you want to come down here with your kids, the families, scan the QR code. Has all the information. But Carly, tell us about the Lysol Laundry Challenge.
Yeah, the fun does not end at Randall's Island Park. So
No.
You're going to go home. You're going to try the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer on your very stinkiest load. And if it doesn't work, money back guaranteed. So give it a try. I'm telling you, it tackled those volleyball knee pads. First time.
There it is, guys. Everything you need and more. Thank you to Jordana. Thank you to Carly. Thank you to our scientist, Nicole. No thank you to the stinky sock, Marisol. I'm very jealous that you did not have to smell this. Come on down to Randall's Island Park. The QR code, like I mentioned, has all the information you need. I'm going to go towel off, maybe smell some coffee beans or something. Back to you, Mari.
Alex, you get the cookie today. You get the prize for giving that stinky sock a whiff, but chock full of information. Like you said, I know my boy's stuff is stinkarama.